Hello everyone, my name is Stephane ANDRIETTI.
And I am Gianfranco Ruggiero.
Today, we would like to draw your attention to the question of robustness. This concept is well known in the context of stamping, where you expect a stable and repeatable process to consistently produce stamp parts within tolerance.
But the same concept also applies to the body in white assembly process. If we take the example of a door subassembly, it is crucial to understand how process variation that occur when stamping the door inner or the door outer panel may affect dimensional deviations of the subassembly.
In the upcoming webinar, John and I, we will be hosting a 30-minute live session in which we will present AutoForm solutions dedicated to body in white assembly.
And in this webinar, you will understand how to take advantage of a solid robustness analysis to anticipate the impact of the process variation, such as frictions or blank thickness,
and identify the root causes that can lead to subassemblies out of tolerance. We offer 2 sessions on that day, so feel free to select the time that works best for you and sign up now to join the discussion.
And we really hope to see you there to learn more about this unique approach and methodology. So thanks for your time.